Hello my dear friends, welcome you all to my YouTube channel Guruji Education Wala. Today we are going to learn about the HLOOKUP function in Excel. So HLOOKUP function in Excel is used to search a value in the top row of a table and return corresponding value from the specified row. So it will be search the values from the topmost row and corresponding values from the row it will be returned. Okay. So the syntax of HLOOKUP function is that HLOOKUP into the bracket lookup value. So for which we are going to search or we are going to use the lookup function, that value we have to be passed. Then table array. So complete table array we have to be mentioned here. Then row index number. So row index numbers means which type of row value you want in return. That row index number we have to be mentioned here. Then range lookup bool value. So here we know that I have already told you in the VLOOKUP function, range lookup bool value is true or false. By default it is a false, means we want the exact value. Okay, so here we are going to see the simple HLOOKUP function. Okay, so here we are going to mention the HLOOKUP function is equal to HLOOKUP. Okay, into the bracket, first we have to mention the lookup value. So we are going to take this cell reference in which we are going to mention the or we are going to enter the h lookup value. So D13 is there, comma, then we have to mention the table array. So this complete table array we are going to select over here, from which we are going to searching. Then row index, consider that we want a particular model price. Okay, this price given in the lakhs. So Nexon, Harrier, Safari, Tiago, and Altroz are the different Tata models, and the respective variant means petrol model, diesel model, CNG, and electric models values are given over here. Consider that we want the CNG model value. Okay, so I am going to mention this row index. So row index is that 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so fourth number row index is I have to be mentioned here. Then comma, the bool value we want to mention, that is the false we are going to mention because we want the exact value. Okay, I am going to press enter, so it will shows nothing because we haven't give the lookup value. Consider that we want the Nexon CNG model value. So Nexon, I am going to enter the Nexon, so it gives the 13 lakhs. Okay, so Nexon values for the CNG model is given the 13 lakhs. Okay, so this is very easy to search with the help of HLOOKUP function. I have mentioned the another example in which model and variant will be entered by the user, so we will be getting the price. Okay, so here we are going in price column, we are going to mention the HLOOKUP function is equal to HLOOKUP. Okay, after that we want the cell reference for the model. Model means h lookup value we want. Then comma, we have to select the table array. So here we have selected the table array, comma, after that we have the row index. For row index we are mentioning this cell reference. Okay, in this cell reference you have to be mention the row index according to petrol, diesel, CNG, and electric. So after that, the bool value, we are going to boolean value, that is false. We want the exact match, bracket close. Currently it won't show anything because we haven't mentioned the model name and the variant name. Okay, so here consider that Safari model is there, Safari model, in which we want the petrol model. Okay, so petrol is at the index 2. Okay, so we have to mention the index over here. So now the Safari for the petrol model is the price is 26 lakhs. So in price column it will show the 26 lakhs. Okay, so it shows the 26 lakhs over here. So this is very simple formula. I hope you understand the HLOOKUP function. I have taken both the examples over here. So if you like, please share my videos, like my videos, and do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.